G'day world, what I've got here are a couple of Manky hubs and rims for a KDX250. I'm going to give these a little blast with garnet and then give them a work over in my hydroblasting cabinet. So stick around for a few minutes, check out the end result, and I'll give you a bit of a spoiler. I'm tipping they'll turn out the duck's guts. We've also got a few other bits and bobs here that we might as well do at the same time. Speedway bike bits, that's off the KDX, and some more Speedway bike parts there, and brake lever. Righto, these hubs have still got the bearings and stuff in them. I'm not knocking them out. The customer can do that when he gets them back. What I'll do is I'll just plug these up first, just put a bolt through them with a couple of plates on them just to keep any glass and shit out of the inside of those. So all right, we'll do that and then chuck them in the dry blast cabinet. So here's what I'm using here to plug up the insides of that. Just a couple of plastic plugs, bit of all thread, poke it through here. Stick that on there, bit of rubber on there. Chuck a nut on the end. Make sure it's all roughly centre and just give that a bit of a nip up. Do the same with this one. Just a little nip, that's all it takes. That'll keep the shit out of there. Righto, we'll go and chuck that one in the dry blasting cabinet. Well, I just wandered over here with the hub, and those gloves are about rooted, so I'll change them out before I start blasting. Well, there we go, we've got a new set of gloves there. I've just replaced the nozzle in the handpiece. That's a 6mm hole, that's what we start out with. That's the one I replaced it, so it blows them right out real quick. But anyway, I can't show you the blasting inside the cabinet because it's too dirty and the glass is a bit ordinary. So I'll do that and I'll pop it on the bench and we'll have a look at it when it's done. Well, there's that hub after a light going over in the sandblaster with garnet. We'll pop it alongside that one. That's the difference just out of the dry blaster. So now I'll put this one in and I'll give it a clean, and I'll do one of these rims and show you it when it comes out side by side with the other one. So there we go guys, that's the difference in the finish. That's the original one there, that's the one that's been garnet blasted. It's knocked all the anodising off, makes it very easy to wet blast now. While I was in there, I've done the inside of the rim as well, so this thing will come up like new when I'm done. We'll clean this one up and then we'll start wet blasting. Okay, so these four bits here, they're ready to go in the blaster now, in the wet blaster. So we'll chuck one in there and get into it. Righto, now for the moment of truth. Looking alright, we'll give that a rinse. Van Halen. That's looking alright. We'll dry that off and put it on the bench. Well, there you go guys, have a look at that. That's given me a bit of a twinge. Yeah, very nice, ain't it, eh? You won't get a better finish than that anywhere. Anyway, I'll do some more. All right, we'll open up the door and have a look how that went. That's looking pretty good. Right, we'll chuck it on the bench and dry it off. And there's finished product, folks, as opposed to the one that's just been dry blasted. Very nice outcome. Perfect starting point for a polish if you are that way inclined. Most of the blokes just chuck them back on their bikes like this. But anyway, I'll do this one and stick around for a couple more minutes, and I'll clean up some of that stuff and just give you a look at it when it's done. So here's a look at all that KDX stuff. Those hubs are there. Did the sprocket and front brake lever and master cylinder. The rims come up nice. I don't think I showed you inside before, but they're nice and clean in there as well. Some of the Speedway stuff over here, haven't finished that yet. Just got to knock the anodising off those two engine plates there, and then they'll be done. And got some Westlake cases up there I've got to get onto, but that's for another day. But yeah, that stuff's come up very nice. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. I've only taken up a few minutes of your time, so if you like what you saw and think this is a good result, hit that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't already. But anyway, I'll get on with the rest of this stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video.